Hey, Waldwick, Ruts here, and I'm going to go over the difference between scan, cut, or scan and cut with the Emblazer 2. First, I'm going to shrink my face, and I've got this image already set up. I'll just move my face out over there. And I just want to show you the difference between these. So if I were to use the cut setting, I can check out the preview, which is up here, a little TV screen, and it's going to basically outline any shapes that are in my drawing. Now, if I go to the scan setting, you're going to see that it fills the areas that are not overlapping. If they're overlapping, it then doesn't fill. So, uh, benefit here is that you can fill your materials with color. So you maybe use a higher speed, lower power setting to maybe just lightly burn the wood or whatever it is you're burning. Last mode is scan and cut. Now this one is a mixture of the two. You can see, hopefully you can see, a sharper outline around the actual words and the shapes because that's going to send the laser through a path around all of the objects in addition to scanning the objects. So that's the difference between scan, cut, or scan and cut. Happy making!